channel. I'm Tia. I upload 4 times a week, Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday, and Sunday. I do mostly synthetic wig related content here. We are multicultural. We are inclusive. So if that is what you are looking for, you have found it, and you should subscribe and become one of my little doll babies. If you're already a doll baby, hot doll baby. It's 2021. We have to be doing something different, better, leveling up, erasing 2020. Anyway, so I wanted to start 2021 out right, and so I'm doing tons and tons of collabs, tons and tons and tons of collabs, okay? So today I am collaborating with Christine. You might know her channel as QCKrissie, okay? And she also goes by QC Diva. She is stunning. If you haven't checked out her channel, you need to. She's linked down below. I reached out to do a collab with her, and she was so gracious to say yes. She just has a beautiful style. I love how she does the wigs that are like this, like more natural, textured, relaxed textured, and they look so good on her. So I wanted to do this one with her because it's definitely something I can see up her alley. And yeah, so she said yes. So this is what we're doing right now. Anywho, please go check her out on Instagram and YouTube. I will link her below, and let's just get started with this girl. After I am talking about all of this, all the clips of me getting her together are going to be after, but we are talking about Tiana collection. I've had coffee. So we are doing Tiana from Tiana collection. I have her in the color DR2/CinnamonSwirl. Okay, and this is part of their Natural Me Light Blown Out Texture line. Lace front wig. It says it's a deep part lace, hand tied Swiss parting. It says special knotting at the back of the nape. I think maybe for like matting issues. This one's so cute. This DR1B/4/ash blonde. Now that is a stunner. Okay, and what else do we want to know? Comes in a bunch of colors. Is she heat safe? Yes, up to 360 degrees heat safe. And I got her from Deets, QC Diva, Deets, for $19.99. And this is her. So pros and cons. The wig cap I think is a little bit on the more smaller side. I usually do like an average wig cap is good for me. Where this was set, and it was set at a normal place that it's usually set, the clips in the back, it's snug on me. So I would say if you are looking for a smaller an average to small wig cap, this would be a good wig for you. She's warm because she's thick. She's got a lot of hair. She has a lot of hair. It's that beautiful yaki textured, blown out texture. I do love the coloring. I love the coloring where it's just on the tips. It's kind of like you were growing your ombre out. It just looks very natural, the coloring. So I'm loving the color. Again, the texture is gorgeous. Yeah, it's snug. It's thick in a way that feels like it has filler fibers. Like, I know it doesn't, but I'm not a fan of filler fibers, but that's just me. I love the style. However, it doesn't look like that. It just does not look like the stock art, which is fine. Inside's a little bit different than the other. So, this one responds to a round brush very, very well. And if you can see, it gives me this beautiful, like, winged out situation on this side. But if you see with a round brush, it's giving me this, like, really, like, cute winged effect on this side. See, that's so pretty. But it doesn't do that on this side. It's just kind of like, it's going in instead of out, if that makes sense. So when I want to try to make it go out, it just doesn't want to cooperate. I don't have the combs in or anything. It just doesn't look the same. So it doesn't look bad. It's just one of those wigs you're just going to have to mess with. Like, I don't think it's bad at all. It feels good. The texture feels good. It feels high quality. It's just the style is struggling. Like, maybe just a full on, I don't know, maybe recurling the ends. I am getting a little bit of shedding. Yeah, I feel like it's just a styling issue for me. Let's look at her from the back. Like, she doesn't look bad this way. I don't mind her. The color is so pretty from the back. Movement's good. I always like to check this area. That's what gives away for me. Tiny bit of humpiness, but not a bunch. Yeah, I think I'm on the fence about this one. Like, there's some of this that I really like. I actually like this a little bit better than the Nisha ones, but I just feel like the style needs some help. And yeah, so that's where I'm at with it. What are you guys' thoughts? I'm really interested to see what QCKrissie has to say about this. She wears more natural styles, these blown out styles, more than me, so maybe I'm missing something. I don't know. I don't hate it. If you like the style, I think it's a great wig. It's a good price, and it's also a good quality. It's a quality wig. I mean, Janet Collection doesn't usually drop the ball with the quality. I think it's just a preference. Absolutely love the color. I'd like to actually get another wig in this color. If you'd like to see another wig in this color, put that down below. If you have any thoughts or comments about this wig, please put that down below. I want to thank Christine so much for agreeing to collaborate with me. Please go check her review out, check out her channel, and give her some love, give her a little shout out, okay? And if you haven't subscribed, please do so. If you have, thanks so much. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.